Welcome. Today we're diving into how small businesses can make real money with chatbots. Once reserved for big corporations, chatbots are now affordable. Powerful tools that help small business owners boost revenue, cut costs, and deliver 24/7 customer service. In this ultimate guide, we'll break down the core strategies that turn chatbots into profit machines. Whether you run a local shop, an online store, or a service-based business, you'll discover actionable ways to monetize chatbot technology and stay ahead of the competition. Let's start by understanding why chatbots have become essential for small businesses in today's digital landscape. Small business automation is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Chatbots are at the heart of this transformation, handling repetitive tasks, streamlining workflows, and freeing up your team for higher value work. By automating customer interactions, appointment scheduling, and even sales processes, chatbots help you operate more efficiently and scale your business without dramatically increasing costs. Automation also means you can deliver a consistent customer experience around the clock, which is a huge advantage for small businesses competing with larger players. Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel. It's a common misconception that chatbots are only for big brands with massive budgets. In reality, today's AI-powered chatbots are accessible and affordable for small businesses of all kinds. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or manage a small team, you can implement a chatbot on your website or social media to engage customers, answer questions, and drive sales. The technology has become user-friendly, with no-code platforms making setup a breeze. This means you can start benefiting from automation and AI without needing a dedicated IT department. One of the most powerful ways chatbots make money for small businesses is through automated lead generation and qualification. Imagine having a 24/7 sales agent on your website, ready to greet every visitor, collect their contact information, and ask qualifying questions. Chatbots can instantly identify high-quality prospects and forward them to your sales team, saving time and increasing conversion rates. This direct approach turns anonymous website traffic into valuable leads, ensuring you never miss an opportunity to grow your customer base. Lead capture is the process where your chatbot automatically collects essential contact details from every interested visitor, like their name, email, and phone number. This happens seamlessly during a conversation, making it easy for customers and effective for your business. By turning anonymous website traffic into usable leads, you're building a valuable database for future marketing and sales efforts. Plus, with the right chatbot setup, you can ensure no potential customer slips through the cracks, maximizing every opportunity. Not all leads are created equal. Chatbots can use structured questions to qualify leads, checking for budget, urgency, or specific needs. For example, a chatbot might ask, "What's your preferred price range?" Or, "How soon do you need our service?" Based on the answers, the chatbot can instantly forward high-quality leads to your sales team, saving valuable time and focusing your efforts where they matter most. This smart qualification process helps you close more deals with less effort. For service-based businesses like consultants, dentists, or realtors, chatbots can integrate directly with your calendar to book appointments. This eliminates the tedious back and forth of scheduling and ensures customers can book at their convenience, even outside business hours. For example, a real estate chatbot might ask about a customer's preferred price range and neighborhood, then schedule a showing with a qualified agent. This seamless process leads to higher conversion rates for demos and consultations. If you sell products online, chatbots can act as personalized shopping assistants. They help drive up your average order value by suggesting relevant products based on customer conversations, browsing history, or items in their cart. Chatbots can also recover abandoned carts by sending gentle reminders or offering one-time discount codes. Plus, they answer product questions instantly, reducing friction and preventing customers from leaving your site to look elsewhere. All of this adds up to more sales and happier customers. Chatbots analyze customer conversations and browsing behavior to recommend products that are most likely to interest them. For example, if a customer is looking at running shoes, the chatbot might suggest matching socks or a water bottle. These personalized suggestions not only increase the average order value but also enhance the shopping experience, making customers feel understood and valued. This approach mimics the helpfulness of an in-store assistant, but it's available online 24/7. Abandoned carts are a major challenge for online retailers. Chatbots can proactively reach out to customers who leave items in their cart, offering a gentle reminder or a special discount to encourage them to complete their purchase. This automated follow-up is highly effective, as it catches customers while they're still interested and can significantly reduce lost sales. By recovering even a small percentage of abandoned carts, your chatbot can generate substantial additional revenue. Customers often have questions before making a purchase, like product availability, color options, or return policies. Chatbots can answer these questions instantly, removing obstacles that might prevent a sale. By providing immediate, accurate information, chatbots keep customers engaged and confident in their buying decisions. This not only increases sales but also reduces the workload on your human support team, allowing them to focus on more complex inquiries. While chatbots drive direct sales, they also save money by reducing operational costs. For small businesses with limited staff, this is a game changer. Chatbots can handle up to 80% of routine customer inquiries, such as order status or store hours, freeing your team to focus on complex, high-value tasks. This efficiency not only lowers payroll expenses but also ensures customers receive fast, reliable service at any time of day. Modern customers expect instant answers, no matter the time of day. Chatbots deliver 24/7 customer support, handling hundreds of conversations simultaneously without getting tired or needing overtime pay. This scalability is especially valuable during busy periods or sudden spikes in website traffic. By meeting customer expectations for immediate service, you build loyalty and enhance your brand's reputation, all while keeping costs under control. Speed matters in customer service. Chatbots provide instant responses to common questions, eliminating wait times and keeping customers engaged. This high efficiency not only improves customer satisfaction but also increases the likelihood of repeat business. When customers know they can get quick answers, they're more likely to return and recommend your business to others. Fast response times are a key competitive advantage in today's market. As your business grows, so do customer inquiries. Chatbots are uniquely scalable. They can handle hundreds of conversations at once, without any drop in quality or speed. This means you can manage growth and sudden surges in demand without hiring additional staff or sacrificing service quality. Scalability ensures your business is ready for busy seasons, promotions, or viral moments, all while keeping costs predictable. Chatbots aren't just for your own products, they can also generate revenue through affiliate marketing and sponsored content. For example, a travel planning chatbot might recommend a specific hotel booking platform or travel insurance, earning a commission on any resulting purchase. By integrating contextual affiliate links and brief, non-intrusive promotional messages, your chatbot can create new income streams that complement your core business. Contextual affiliate links are recommendations made by your chatbot during relevant conversations. For instance, if a customer is planning a trip, your chatbot might suggest a hotel booking site or travel insurance, providing a convenient link. When customers use these links, you earn a commission. This approach feels natural and helpful to the customer, while quietly generating extra income for your business. Sponsored content within chatbots involves brief, non-intrusive promotional messages for partner services that complement your own. For example, a financial advice chatbot might feature a sponsored message about a trusted tax preparation service. These integrations are subtle, ensuring they don't disrupt the user experience, but they provide valuable exposure for partners and additional revenue for your business. Data is the new currency in business. Chatbots are expert data collectors, capturing valuable insights from every customer interaction. They record the exact language customers use, their most frequent pain points, and product interests. This raw data helps you refine your product offerings, improve marketing copy, and optimize your website structure. With better data, you can make smarter, more profitable business decisions. Chatbots make it easy to gather customer feedback and conduct surveys, instead of relying on traditional email surveys, which often go ignored. Chatbots can administer short, engaging surveys right within the chat interface. This leads to higher completion rates and more actionable feedback. By understanding customer satisfaction and pain points, you can continuously improve your business and increase profitability. To ensure your video and business content are discoverable, it's crucial to use the right SEO keywords. For small business chatbots, focus on terms like chatbots for small business, make money with chatbots, small business automation, and AI for business. These keywords help your content rank higher on YouTube and search engines, attracting more viewers and potential customers to your business. When creating content or chatbot scripts, include strategic how-to keywords such as lead generation chatbot, increase sales with AI, 24/7 customer service bot, and monetize chatbot. These phrases address specific customer needs and search intent, making your content more relevant and actionable. By aligning your messaging with what your audience is searching for, you increase engagement and conversion rates. For businesses targeting specific niches or using particular software, keywords like best chatbot platforms, ChatGPT for business, no-code chatbot, and e-commerce chatbot are essential. These terms help you reach audiences looking for tailored solutions and highlight your expertise in the latest chatbot technologies. Using niche keywords positions your business as a leader in specialized markets. Long-tail keywords like how small businesses can use AI to make money, automate customer service and increase sales, and chatbot revenue streams for local business are powerful for reaching highly targeted audiences. These phrases capture specific search intent and often have less competition, making it easier for your content to rank and attract qualified leads. Selecting the right chatbot platform is crucial for success. Look for solutions that offer easy integration with your website or social media, support for no-code setup, and robust analytics. Popular platforms include ChatGPT, ManyChat, and Tidio. Consider your business needs, budget, and technical skills when making a choice. The right platform will make implementation smooth and maximize your chatbot's impact. No-code chatbot solutions have made it possible for anyone to build and deploy a chatbot without programming skills. These platforms offer drag-and-drop interfaces, pre-built templates, and step-by-step guides. This means you can launch a chatbot quickly, test different approaches, and iterate based on customer feedback, all without hiring a developer. No-code tools democratize AI, making it accessible to every small business owner. To get the most from your chatbot, follow best practices. Keep conversations friendly and concise. Use clear calls to action, and regularly update your chatbot's knowledge base. Monitor analytics to see which questions are most common and where users drop off. Continuously refine your chatbot to improve performance and customer satisfaction. A well-maintained chatbot becomes a valuable asset that grows with your business. Measuring the return on investment, ROI, of your chatbot is essential. Track metrics like lead conversion rates, average order value, customer satisfaction scores, and cost savings from reduced support workload. Compare these numbers to your goals and adjust your chatbot strategy as needed. By keeping an eye on ROI, you ensure your chatbot continues to deliver value and drive business growth. Implementing a chatbot isn't without challenges. Common issues include unclear objectives, poor conversation design, and lack of integration with existing systems. To overcome these, set clear goals, map out user journeys, and choose a platform that supports integration with your CRM or email marketing tools. Regularly test and refine your chatbot to address user feedback and changing business needs. The future of chatbots in small business is bright. As AI technology advances, chatbots will become even more intelligent, personalized, and capable of handling complex tasks. Small businesses that embrace chatbots now will be well positioned to stay ahead of the curve, delight customers, and drive sustainable growth. Don't wait, start exploring how chatbots can transform your business today and unlock new revenue streams for years to come.